Welcome to our Power Supply Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between the Corsair RM1000e and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850. Both of these power supplies are popular choices among PC builders, but they cater to different needs. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to wattage, the Corsair RM1000e stands out with its impressive 1000W capacity, making it suitable for high-end gaming rigs and demanding systems. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 offers a solid 850W, which is sufficient for most mid-range builds. If you're planning to run multiple high-performance components, the RM1000e might be the better choice, while the MWE Gold 850 provides excellent value for standard setups. Price is a significant factor for many builders. The Corsair RM1000e comes in at $179, reflecting its high wattage and premium features. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 is priced at a more budget-friendly $109, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and power needs. Warranty can provide peace of mind when investing in a power supply. The Corsair RM1000e offers a 7-year warranty, which is respectable, but shorter than the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850's impressive 10-year warranty. This longer warranty period for the MWE Gold 850 indicates the manufacturer's confidence in its product's durability and reliability, making it a compelling choice for long-term use. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM1000e and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 are excellent power supply units, each with its own strengths. The RM1000e is ideal for high-demand systems, while the MWE Gold 850 offers great value for most builds. Consider your specific needs, budget, and the components you plan to use before making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.